To delete a save file in Schedule I, you first need to locate the correct save folder on your computer. Open File Explorer and navigate to see if you can't see the App Data folder. You'll need to enable hidden items in File Explorer's View tab, as noted by the gamer. This will reveal the directory where the game stores all save data. Inside the saves folder, you'll see subfolders named with numbers, each representing a different save profile. To remove a specific save, open the numbered folder corresponding to the one you want to delete. Then delete that entire folder, for example, 1 or 2. This will permanently remove the save data linked to that profile. If you aren't sure which folder belongs to the save you want to delete, you can open the game.json file in the saves directory with a text editor. This file contains details about each save, including the profile ID, making it easier to identify the correct folder to remove. A Steam community guide suggests checking this file before deleting anything to avoid removing the wrong profile. Once you've deleted the correct folder, we start Schedule I. The game will load without the deleted save, and the corresponding save slot will no longer appear in the menu. This ensures that the profile is fully removed from the game's records.